So this is going to be a quick demo of the Prophet nodes throughout Flojoy and some ways to create trends, make predictions, and visualize those predictions using the Prophet time series modeling library. So we're going to start by just generating some time series data. You could do this with live stream data connected to hardware for streaming situations like that. But for the purposes of this quick demo, we're just going to grab the time series node. And we're going to then take the Prophet predict node from the AI and machine learning section. Super simple, and we'll pull that up. And what this predict is going to do is it's going to train a Prophet model on the time series data, and it will make a prediction, and it will train a model and pass that model forward. You have two options here when you're doing it. You can run the forecast or not. You might not want to run the forecast. If you just want to pass the model along and do something with it later, then you'll just pass the model and the raw data. Or you can run the forecast and you'll pass along the forecasted data, which we'll do here, as well as the model. And what we're going to do is we're going to set the number of periods. So when forecast is true, you have another parameter, how many periods in the future you want to predict in days. So we're going to predict 365 days in the future. And then just to look at that data for this simple situation, we're going to go to visualizers and we're going to go to Plotly. We'll click on Prophet components and we'll click on Prophet plot. So Prophet plot will give you a trend. The components will give you the components of that trend. And so we can just hook those up, and then we'll grab an end node to end the flow. We'll put both of those in here, and then we simply click run. And once it's running, it'll generate the time series data, it'll make predictions, it'll give you your plots for both your trend and your components weekly and your general trend, and then it'll end. And if you come over to the debug, you can actually see the original time series data, the Prophet predicted trend of time series data, and then of course those visualizations and the end node. And that's it.